What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to Cilinix Crypto and the 7th episode of this series I'm doing on the channel called Creating the Best Crypto Portfolio. Short description. If you want to have a full description, look up the first episode of this series. There I also explain why I picked these cryptos. But what we're basically doing is we're trying to create the best crypto portfolio so that performs well against the market. So let's say Bitcoin or Ethereum only. With relatively low risk actually. So it's not a high risk strategy, but it's relatively low risk so that anybody, just the average retail investor basically could step into and have a really good yield, hopefully. Because we are down. We started with around $2,800. We're still above $2,000 at around the same level as last week, but we are down about between 20 and 30%, I believe. More like 30. We are down. The whole market, of course, is down. I think I bought in the beginning of January. After that, we had quite a big downfall, the 20th of January. So this video will again be quite short. We'll just be going over the fundamentals and checking all the cryptos. The main thing is, as I said, creating the best crypto portfolio there is. And throughout the year, we might do some transactions if the market goes up again. Otherwise, I will probably just hold, but we will go over all the cryptos, and I think I do have some valuable fundamental things to share. So of course, this video, the main thing we're going to talk about is the war in Ukraine, which to be honest, me as someone from the Netherlands and therefore Europe, I'm quite shocked by it, to be honest. I think I did quite a lot of fundamental analysis, and I didn't really expect the war to really break out. I don't want to make this channel too political, but yeah, it's not a good thing happening, and hopefully it stops as soon as possible. Until that time, it does cause a lot of unrest within the crypto market, and it doesn't seem to be cooling down too much just yet. With yesterday the announcement that the units with nuclear weapons were becoming readied or something. It's really a political language in my opinion, but still it's not great. And now you also see that more and more Western countries are becoming against Putin. And then you had China that called the sanctions illegal. So that's just more and more unrest. And that together with the inflation numbers rising as well. And there's still quite a lot of confusion within the American government about their stance on crypto. So those three things are just not great. And the main thing is Ukraine. If that cools down, I think we can actually get a bull market this year still. At least some more bullish weeks and days, but up until that time I think it will stay this way, and we might even drop down a little bit more. So yeah, if we go through all the cryptos, Ethereum last week, we can check that out real quick. Ethereum last week we went, it's kind of at the same level. As I said, it's a little bit above that, but it's kind of the same as last week, the balance we're at right now. Matic is probably at the same level as well, to be honest. Yeah, exactly the same level. And then HBAR, we had HBAR, Engine, Veracity, and Reef. If you actually look at HBAR, I think that's down a little bit. No, that's a little bit above it as well. So then Engine, Reef, and Veracity are probably down a little bit. Engine maybe not. Yeah, Engine is a little bit down. It's from 1.47 up to 1.4. And we look at Veracity, I think that's down. Yeah, from 2.2 cents all the way down to almost 2 cents, but more like 1.9. Now Reef, I think Reef is down as well. Those are the small cap cryptos. They tend to suffer the most within these market circumstances. So yeah, Reef is down as well from almost 1 cent all the way down to 0.9 cents. So that's a quick overview and some fundamental insights regarding this crypto portfolio. If you have any more questions about anything I said or the series, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible with all I can. But as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all next week in our next videos. Bye.